So I'm sitting here reviewing one more mobile home that we're currently doing rehab on to convert into a rental. Good morning, everyone. Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. Two mistakes that I hear most mobile home investors say is, I wish I would have bought more, and I wish I wouldn't have sold it. Okay, when you sit here thinking about passive income, generating income, that steady cash flow coming in, wholesale flipping, other strategies are great because it's done. You get the money up front, and it's time to run. But then you got to focus and worry about, where's my next income coming from? I got to go find another deal. I got to flip another one. I got to wholesale another one. You got to think long term. Also, it's like, how can I secure myself with a steady cash flow? And that's where rentals come in. That's where rent to owns come in. That's where lease options come in. Even though those have end dates, they have a long term of consistency, giving you money. Every month there's pocketed money. A lot of people call mobile homes ATM because they're constantly spending money. And at the end of it, think about a rental. After I rent it for 2-3 years, I'll be able to sell it then. So it's not like we're losing out on something. It's like, I'm holding on to these properties so that I can continue to make revenue, cash flow is coming in. So if you are new to mobile home investing, or you're trying to get into mobile home investing, maybe looking for your next deal, send us an email. I'd love to connect with you. J@GarciaMHU.com. Hope to see you then. Thank you.